population of Europe is aging and shrinking, resulting in a labour shortage. By the year 2080, there will be around 2 people of working age for every person aged 65 or older. At the moment, the ratio is 3 to 1. People of prime working age are usually the ones to have children or may have to take care of their dependent relatives. Care responsibilities are among the reasons for inactivity for almost every 5th inactive woman, whereas this is the case for only every 50th inactive man. This leads to the gender employment, pay and pension gap. The economic loss due to the gender employment gap amounts to 370 billion euros per year, which would be enough to cover the Estonian state budget for 40 years. Our current work-life balance measures mainly address classic family types and working models, yet the ways of living and working in Europe are constantly evolving. There are same-sex couples, families with mutual and non-mutual children, single parents, etc. People may work for different employers, work part-time or on temporary contracts, and so on. It is vital to take measures to successfully balance work, family, and private life. These measures include different leaves and benefits, flexible working arrangements, childcare and long-term care services, tax incentives, and many more. A key issue is how to encourage a more balanced distribution of care responsibilities between men and women. The greater the part men take in looking after a child after birth, the bigger their emotional involvement and bigger the father's bond with the child. One of the priority areas during the Estonian presidency is an inclusive and sustainable Europe. That is why it is important that we carry on with discussions over work-life balance.